It's to the sky. You can take the time out to come at Jungle Fyah on a night like tonight. You know it's a special night, y'all. Because we have preachers who will be performing on this stage tonight. We have ghosts who will be performing on this stage tonight. So you know it's going to be a crazy night. I know your respect is to the sky. Tonight is a special night, y'all. And it's a special night for somebody that I'm acquainted with because it's her birthday. She specifically told me not to announce that it's her birthday, but come on, it's your birthday, I'm going to just announce it. I want to say, Edda, your respect is to the sky, and tonight is Edda's birthday, but you know what? We're going to celebrate it with Edda on December 2nd, which is a Saturday, and it's going to be celebrated at 64 Banton Main Road, Portmore, music by Superforce. So come on, y'all, let's go out and celebrate it with Edda. When you come to Jungle Fyah, let me tell you this real quick. When you walk through that gate right there, and you find yourself, you position yourself anywhere you want to be at, you don't have to move after that. All you have to do is just get your attention to a waitress, and they'll serve you whatever you want right where you at. I automatically like this table right here. When I look at this table right here, I know I am automatically getting paid tonight. The only way to keep Jungle Fyah alive is to keep the bar and the kitchen going. May I go get rude with it up here a little bit. Coming to a show like this, expecting a performance from an artist like Pinchers and an artist like Ghost, I think $500, it's a free show. I think everybody agrees with me. Jeff Fyah, I'm ready for the show. Our first performer for the night is an artist that I am acquainted with because I've worked with him on several occasions. This brother is from Portmore. And as you all know, Portmore produces some of the best entertainers in the business. This brother has took his career to the international level, to the local level, but mostly right now, if you go on the North Coast, you can see this brother performing with a blast. And right now he's here tonight to showcase his talent to the world. I'm asking you to run the road up to center stage. Come on around here. The line, say it.
That what love is all about. Girl, I love you higher than anyone can count. Oh, every amount of love and you inspire what love is all about. Girl, I can live without your love. Love you higher than anyone can count. No, and to the amount of love, yeah. Want to say good evening to all the beautiful people in the house and the celebs. Clancy Eccles himself. Going down the big wheel. Yes, yes. From a little cottage in the green. I wrote these lines to you, baby. From a little cottage in the green. I realize the love you spare. From a little cottage way here, way out west of me, where this man sits, boy, for love. Gee, I miss you, and how my lips wanna kiss you. I call you on the phone, and to my surprise, you weren't at home. But from a little cottage in the green, oh Lord, I wrote these lines, that I wrote these lines to you. And from a little cottage in the green, I realize I love you still. Some getting high, some sniffing cocaine, some get high, beating the sunshine in the fire. Some get high, jamming sesame and cake. Some go west to watch the sunset as the leaves get made. But some, oh, that little bitty cottage in the grill. I wrote these new lines, said I wrote these lines to you. And from a little cottage in the green, yeah, I realize I love. From a this line, way down in the grill. I love you still, baby. And you bring me joy in the morning time. I wrote these lines. Oh, and from a little cottage in the green. Said I wrote this line, a few lines for you. And from a little cottage in the green, outside, I realize that I love you still. Yes, I. So, moving on. So, I just want to big up all of the patrons here coming out in numbers. Luton Fyah. Don't go. Want you to stay in my head. Don't go, baby. Don't go. I want you to stay. Now that I'm lost, every queen by top. One more time from the top. go, baby. Don't leave me. Stay right here, yeah. Don't go, and leave me behind, no. Now that I've lost everything to you, see you wanna start something new, and it's breaking my heart to leave. Baby, I'm breathing, but if you wanna leave, please don't care. Hope you find a lot of nice things to wear, but a lot of nice things look bad out there. And oh, baby, it's a wide world. I think goodbye, just a brother. No, it's not a word. And oh, baby, it's a wide world. I'll always remember you like a child, girl. You know I've seen a lot of what the world can do, and it's breaking my heart in two. See, I never wanna see you sad, girl. Tell me about girl, but if you wanna leave, please don't care. Hope you find a lot of nice friends out there. Then a lot of nice friends turn bad out there. And oh, baby, it's a ride. Oh, love, hard to get by, just a wanna smile, yeah. And oh, baby, it's a ride. I'll always remember you like a child, yeah. Jungle Fyah. This world is so wide. What is your confusion? What is right? It's a lot tight. You don't see the lot of what the world can do, and it's breaking my heart in two. You see, I never wanna see you sad, girl. Tell me about girl, but if you wanna leave, please don't care. Hope you find a lot of nice friends out there. Then a lot of nice friends turn bad. And oh, baby, your body gonna smile, yes, yeah. And oh, baby, it's a wild bird. I'll always remember you like a child. Come on. And oh, baby, it's a wild bird. I think we're going to do it. Oh, sorry, no. And oh, baby, it's a wild. Crazy, I love it. This final song, pick to your legs and your heart. So if you know it, let's sing along. You say you're hurting, of course. They say I'm flirting, oh no. You just can't take it anymore. Friends say I'm no good for you, but in my heart I'm so true. The partners for life it can. Jungle Fyah! You begged me for some time to clear my mind. Sure. What did you look for? Boy, yeah. You say you're hurting, of course. They say I'm flirting, oh no. You just can't take it anymore. You say I care about time to hurting each other. Me and you brought us much closer in the air. There's me for some time, it's mine. I stayed away there so much without your touch. Now I'm back to say just a little bit longer, baby. Oh, my love keeps growing stronger. A little more time to say, but in my head I love it so big. Come on, just a little bit longer, baby. Oh, my love keeps growing stronger. A little more time to say, but in my up in the air. It's just too much, we walk so far, you put it on down the drain. I stayed away just for a ride, but now you're driving me insane. Just a little bit longer, baby, but my love keeps growing stronger. A little more time to say, but in my head I love someplace. Just a little bit longer, baby, but my love keeps growing stronger. A little more time to say, but in my head I love things for you every all there is to say now, hoping that you make me stay. Believe me, I'm yearning for you, girl. Hope there's a place in your heart that remembers the good from the start. Just put me back where I belong. You held me for some time, paralyzed. I stayed away, it hurt so much. Cause I stopped, cause then I thought it's just a little bit longer, baby. Oh, my love keeps growing stronger. A little more time to say, but in my head I love some place. Come on, just a little bit longer, and so will. Oh, my love keeps growing stronger. A little more time to say, but in my head I some place for you. Yeah, yeah, for you. Watch it. Step aside now, another man wants to take over. Cause you don't know what you got, and now it's time to lose her. Step aside now, and let me show you how to treat your woman. She needs a tender touch, she needs loving her so much. Now tell me, are you crazy? Leaving her so long, so lonely. Now she's a winner, so you better protect her. God, when you feel it blue, don't know what to do. She will come from you. She's your dream come true. She will be your friend when you think that it's the end. She's always around, always around. Sure. Should I have faith in you, or should I put my trust in you? Or should you lay me down, or should I float around? Why must I think this way, thinking that you're going away? There ain't no chance to stay together anymore. Am I to go on now, living this way? Acting like a child so young and scared. You don't know why we really love. You don't know how it feels to be loved. No. Look it up for the podcast. Look it up for me. Luton Fyah man, big up yourself. Sure. Bushy, big up yourself. Like Connor, big up yourself, brother. Now, on behalf of all of them patrons, to the artists, support live music. Dennis Brown, Alton, John Rhodes, Delroy, they will come to just radio play, throwing up the stage. And the fans and the people who follow them all around to the dance hall and support them and turn them into kings and legends to icons. So big up and respect live music. My name is Clancy Eccles Jr. Thank you! Yeah! Sure. Thank you, man.
Let me get a round of applause for the man called Clancy, y'all. live performance. 25 years and going. Respect Clancy. 25 years and going. Still strong. I want to quickly pick up all of our sponsors. 104.9 Sun City. Fyah Band, are you all ready for our next performer? Hey, you know what? I'm going to say this real quick. I believe in staying in my lane. Earlier when I came in, somebody looked at me outside and said, Shabba, why can't you give a couple jokes like Beat Bailey and like Floyd? I'm serious. If you ever see me on this stage and I tell you something from my mouth and you laugh, it's not a joke. I'm going to stay in my lane. When me come here the bar no time matter, immediately you see one sign come up, comedian. Floyd, the same thing. Fancy Cat, worse. Fancy Cat was a comedian before he was even born. So I'm going to stay in my lane and I'm going to do what I know to do best. Me just going to call up the artist then. Fyah Band, are you all ready for our next performer? Our next performer tonight, I consider them as a family. These brothers are so talented that they take their talent to the sky. And with taking their talent to the sky, they had no choice but to give themselves a name like this. Inside the Jungle Fyah, the one and only, no limit family.
Jungle Fyah. Pull up there. Come see how they got blessed them. What do this? Everybody find the nose like that. Run it up. Good night, Jungle Fyah. None of the family represents. Look at these beautiful people. A Jungle Fyah there now. Protect me from fire. Protect me, oh dear, oh child. Jah guide me. Watch over me shoulder. Protect me and me soldiers on the battlefield. Oh, Jah guide me. Watch over me shoulder. Protect me and me soldiers on the battlefield. Oh, Father God, wipe out every object. You have some people who want stop with your sets. They want me match up, crush up like cassette. Father God, I beg your son cassettes. Be deal with them. Pass me now, make them tear it down. They want me carry me couple of stuff. They want me mad at a white about a job. Protect me when you flash them powder. Guide me. Watch over me shoulder. Protect me and me soldiers on the battlefield. Don't go by up like a guide me. Watch over me shoulder. Protect me and me soldiers on the battlefield. When the night gets silent and the street filled with violence. Gold shining like belly, we get dark, the girl shining like belly. What I know, what in the map that which is our white coat. Not just the whole white in a skin coat. But mine, we all got to be your clothes. Watch out your life like the yellow telescope. See you afloat and they want you to sing, but I just a guide. Watch out for me shoulder, protect me and me soldiers. And the battlefield, Jungle Fyah, Jah guide me. People, man. Give me the roll, give me the whole them rhythm. Give me the roll, give me the whole them rhythm. Give me the roll, give me the whole them rhythm. Give me the roll, give me the whole them rhythm. What? Yeah, we rolling. Where's the driver? We rolling. The reach and the push reach now. See we rolling and we rolling it up. See we rolling and we rolling it up. See we rolling. I'm smoking. Now we smoke and no go and no talking. Break up me on my knees like me day of fasting. We're flying at the sky like a witchcraft. So me come with the chalice in Jaffy and kiss. We just have a witness. So them have to sample it everywhere. In my blood like Cody with dead right now. 64 and me say I talk me great. Just pass me a lighter. I just say great and we are in them brighter. Me say me for the king and the end in a lighter. So rolling. But we not a wheel. Rolling. Up and grab a bit. Wrapping up a jar. Hot like cigar. Bumping, bumping. Rolling up. Basic. Basic. Yes, I know what you want here now. He love weed for me little and a grow. We keep on me daddy with me a bit tip toe. But I would have been me if he ever did go.
Family, y'all, and I guarantee y'all feeling the same way too. Real quick, I'm gonna ask all artists to link up side stage immediately. For reason, I was not at rehearsal. No, come on. When you stay Sanga Europe, you know, and you come back and you stay where you are, so I ain't stop and leave me alone, please, I'm begging you. Wait till me could be in the time, Stammer, please. Thank you. So listen to me now. Me go talk and make Stammer understand and everybody understand. Me name their rehearsal. So what you joke here now? Me don't really know your artist them. So if me not so know and can't stay and talk to you a little bit, me can't know if